You're struggling to grow your glutes? Let me give you some suggestions.
No.
A plan. A 20-week plan. You're gonna get really familiar with 9 exercises.
Hip thrust, cable kickback, sumo squat, Bulgarian split squat, reverse hyperextension, hamstring curls, Romanian deadlift, step ups, hip thrusts.
Notice that there's not a lot of hip adduction work. Apparently, the glute medius can contribute to that look of hip dips. First off, women, you are beautiful the way that you are. We all have a different genetic makeup, which means our bodies are going to develop differently when we build muscle. So embrace it, because you never know. Somebody actually might like that look a lot. But there's no need to bias the glute medius because it's going to get hit in all of these moves. So no need to do a bunch of hip abductor work. We're going to dive right into the plan that is glute maximus focused to build that kind of, juicy. Week 1. We are starting out a little bit easy. Notice that you're going to be exercising on Monday, Wednesdays, and Fridays. Try to plan on working out 3 days a week. Notice that sometimes I have you start on the right foot, other times I have you start on the left foot. I do not suggest always doing the weaker leg first. We are progressively overloading, so both legs will get equally overloaded if you do this technique. The rep ranges, RPE, and rest time are just suggestions. The point is really to push yourself as hard as you're willing to push yourself, and if you need more rest time than this, definitely take as much rest time as you need. Week 2. The first 3 weeks really are a development phase. Your body is going to need to get used to this style of training, which is actually why I'm giving you the days off. Week 3. I've tried to make this as easy to follow along as absolutely possible. Try to do more reps or more weight each time you repeat an exercise. Then you are going to repeat this workout 4 times for a total of 4 weeks. At this point, you've seen these exercises and you should be comfortable with them. One thing I forgot to mention was on the step up, the foot that goes on the ground should actually only be planted off of the heel. That makes it much more glute focused. Use a step that is a good height for you specifically in the place that you're at right now. Do not bounce out of the hole with your calf muscle. That takes the tension off the glutes. Week 8 starts out with adding more volume by adding more sets. Notice that there is a repetition of the first exercise in each of these. Week 11, this is going to be a big week for you. You are doing more volume than you ever have. Push yourself hard. After repeating that twice, follow it up with a deload. This is what a proper deload should look like. I don't know, take a hike, go on a bike ride. At this point, you get the idea. Just follow the instructions. Now you're going to notice things might start changing. You might see the word drop set. That means do a drop set. Or things might be in a different order than you're used to for these last 2 weeks. Trust the process because this works. That is the entire workout. Go ahead and watch this again. Screenshot. Save it to your phone. DM me directly and I will send you the spreadsheet. Good luck.